Hey everyone, how are you doing? I'm Khaled, a software engineer at Pelcro, and today I'm going to introduce you to our new React Elements npm package. Pelcro React Elements is the official UI package from Pelcro that enables you and your team to quickly integrate your React app with Pelcro. Now, before starting this tutorial, I'm assuming that you have already configured your site on Pelcro platform. If not, I'll link up to a video explaining this process. It's pretty easy. Now, the easiest way to start a React app with Pelcro is to use our official Create React App template. This will let you bootstrap your initial Pelcro app in less than a minute. All you need is your CLI. Now, I'll open up my CLI and move to the directory where you want to initialize your React app. Now, depending on your preference, you can use either npm or yarn. And for this tutorial, I'll be using yarn. So let's begin writing the command. So there. So it's yarn create React app. Then the name of your app. I'll use coffee box. I love coffee. Then you'll pass template and pass the template that you're using, which in this case is Pelcro -CRA template, and click enter. And that's it. Wait for the magic. That's it. Our setup is finished, and now we can move to our new coffee box app. Let's cd to the app, and let's actually open it in VS Code. So now the first thing you want to do is go to the .env file and change some variables over here. The first variable is the Pelcro environment variable, where you choose whether you'll use our staging or production environment. Once your site is ready for production, you just change it to the production. The second one is the Pelcro site ID, which you can get if you go to our platform and go to your settings. You'll find your ID right here. That's the Pelcro ID. And the third one is the Stripe key. You can get that from the Stripe dashboard. Now, once you're done editing the .env file, let's try to start our app using yarn start. And here you go. As you can see, we have some kind of boilerplate that's going to make setting up your app somewhat easier. Also, you can see like 3 buttons that we added over here that can open different Pelcro flows. For example, here's the login modal, and that will open the plan selection modal. Now let's move back to our code. Let's go to the app.js file. As you can see, our app mainly consists of the 3 buttons that I just show you. And as you can see, all of the Pelcro modals, like the login and the register modal, wrapped inside the Pelcro modal controller. Now, Pelcro modal controller is a critical part of our implementation, as it controls the modal's appearance and initializes core services like Stripe and PayPal, for example. In the next video, I'll show you how you can further customize the modal's experience using props. I'll also link to our documentation GitHub link in this video, and that's it. This was the simplest way to start a new Pelcro React app. Thank you for watching.